Winter. It invites us to quiet the noise, to let the seasons speak through small, intentional touches instead of overwhelming our spaces. Like decorating with branches clipped from the yard, a strand of soft lights carried across a table, a bowl of juicy sweet oranges placed gently on the counter. Sometimes the simplest decor feels the most sacred. When we pare things back, we make room for our breath to slow, and for the magic of the season to soften its way in. With having a small business, this time of year always asks for more productivity and for more stricter schedules. But maybe this year it's asking for presence, for rituals that can root us, like lighting a candle before the day begins, quietly sipping a cup of coffee while watching the birds, and stepping outside to feel the cold air wake up your spirit. When we choose ritual over routine, we can choose meaning over momentum, so that in the end, winter can become something we experience, not just to endure. I feel there's a tenderness in the season that deserves protection. And this year, I really want things to be different. It's okay to say no. It's okay to stay home. It's okay to choose slowness when the world says to speed up. Protecting your energy isn't withdrawing or letting people down. It's choosing where your spirit feels safe to expand. Let this winter be the one where you honor your boundaries, trust your intuition, and keep a soft light glowing, just for you. Let me know how it goes, and I'll see you soon.